This is our first channel. My name is Laura, her name is Leah, and we're going to do a slime channel today. I hope you enjoy our channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm going to make pink slime. She's going to make purple. Okay? So give us a huge thumbs up for this channel.
Okay, go ahead and put the...
Wow! You should have had mine. And you'll have lots.
Okay, Laura, you can fill up.
Like what?
How many scoops?
3.
Ready?
Yep. Can you mind now?
Sure.
Why is it not coming out?
Use your spatula.
It's coming.
No, scrape it from the inside.
Oh, it's so beautiful. This is my sister and me. Welcome back to our channel. Now we're done with our whipped cream, so now we're going to go along and do baking soda.
Okay, get one ready for Leah.
Today we are doing this thing where we get some baking soda.
Okay, next is activator.
Next is activator.
No, we're going to use this. What is that?
Activator.
Okay, go ahead and
Stir it.
stir yours up. Leah, ready for your activator?
Yeah. Well, mine looks like cotton candy. Let me check mine out. Well, mine looks like fish. Guys, this is our slime. This is my sister's slime. I think mine is maybe the best. But let's do this. Let's see if I can make a big bubble. Okay, babies. Aww. Baby loves to play with it. Wow! His hand's still dried. Aww. His foot's. Wish Abby can play with it. Huh? Do you know what Abby says? No. Abby is my best friend. Like he has a smile face. He doesn't like fighting or laughing or... Leah, you're just pretending. You don't know what anybody named Laffy. Everly, you mean? Oh, Everly. Yeah, you know some. Everly. Let's do it, guys. Just clean my hands. We mix them together so then it will kind of make, look at mine, it's kind of like a pinkish bluish and hers is like a pink purple. So look at, I have some blue, she has some pink and purple. And then mine does this, only with a finger. It does! It's like Pinocchio's hair. And his hat. Bye. Bye!